Affiliate marketing is a performance-based marketing strategy where businesses reward individuals' affiliates for driving traffic or sales to their products or services. Through the affiliates' marketing efforts, it has become one of the most effective ways for businesses to expand their reach and for individuals to generate passive income online. 2. How affiliate marketing works. Affiliate marketing operates on a straightforward principle. An affiliate promotes a product or service and earns a commission for every sale, lead, or click generated through their referral link. The process typically involves, for key players, merchant advertiser, the company or individual selling the product or service, affiliate publisher, the person or business promoting the product or service, consumer, the end user who purchases the product or service through the affiliates link. Affiliate network optional, a third-party platform that connects merchants and affiliates and tracks performance. The basic workflow of affiliate marketing is 1. An affiliate joins and affiliate program. 2. The affiliate gets a unique tracking link. 3. The affiliate promotes the product through various channels, for example, blogs, social media, YouTube. A consumer clicks the affiliate link and makes a purchase. 5. The affiliate earns a commission. 3. Types of affiliate marketing models. Pay per sale PPS. Affiliates earn a commission for every sale generated. This is the most common model. 2. Pay per click PPC. Affiliates are paid based on the number of clicks generated, regardless of whether a sale occurs. Pay per lead PPL. Affiliates earn a commission when a consumer takes a specific action, such as filling out a form or signing up for a newsletter. Each model has its pros and cons, and the choice depends on the affiliate's marketing strategy and niche. 4. Benefits of affiliate marketing. For affiliates, passive income, earn money even while sleeping through well-placed links. Low startup costs. Affiliates don't need to create products or manage inventory. Flexible work environment. Work from anywhere and set your schedule. Diverse revenue streams. Promote multiple products across various niches. For merchants, cost effective. Pay only for actual sales, clicks, or leads. Broader audience reach. Access audiences through the affiliates platforms. Performance-based results. Reduce financial risk since payments depend on results. Popular affiliate marketing platforms. 1. Amazon Associates. One of the largest and most popular affiliate programs. Affiliates earn commissions on a wide range of products. ShareSale offers diverse products and services across industries. 3. ClickBank focuses heavily on digital products, such as books and online courses. CJ Affiliate, formerly Commission. Junction, a reliable platform with global brands. 5. Rakuten Advertising, known for its quality partnerships with established brands. Each platform offers unique benefits and caters to specific niches. And marketing styles. 6. Choosing the right niche. For affiliate marketing, selecting the right niche is crucial for success in affiliate marketing. Some profitable niches include wealth and finance, online trading, stock market. Tools, money management. Courses. Technology, software. Gadgets, web hosting. Lifestyle, travel, fashion, luxury goods. When choosing a niche. 1. Identify your passion and expertise. Content marketing. Write high-quality blog posts, product reviews, and comparison articles. Search engine optimization, SEO. Optimize content. 2. Rank higher on search engines. 3. Email marketing. Build an email list and share valuable content and affiliate offers.